5 magical teas to blast clogged arteries and tame blood sugar. Green tea. Green tea contains a type of antioxidant called catechins, which can inhibit the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, the main culprit of arterial plaque formation. Green tea can also enhance the function of the endothelium, the inner lining of the blood vessels, and reduce inflammation. Moreover, green tea can help lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake in the cells. Black tea. Black tea contains a type of antioxidant called theaflavins, which can also prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol and reduce arterial plaque. Black tea can also relax the blood vessels and lower blood pressure by stimulating the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates the arteries. Furthermore, black tea can help control blood sugar levels by inhibiting the activity of alpha-glucosidase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates into glucose. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea contains a type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, which can protect the blood vessels from oxidative stress and inflammation. Hibiscus tea can also lower blood pressure by inhibiting the activity of angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE, an enzyme that constricts the arteries. Moreover, hibiscus tea can help lower blood sugar levels. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea can also lower blood pressure by activating the GABA receptors, which are responsible for calming the nervous system. Additionally, chamomile tea can help lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting the activity of alpha amylase, an enzyme that breaks down starch into glucose. Ginger tea. Ginger tea can also lower blood pressure by blocking the calcium channels, which are involved in the contraction of the smooth muscle cells in the arteries. Furthermore, ginger tea can help lower blood sugar levels by stimulating the secretion of insulin and enhancing the uptake of glucose in the cells.